Alright, my friend. See, what is this, my friend? Can you see something there? Ta-da! Yes, it is. Oh, wow. So beautiful. This is a sunny day, my friend. Let's see. Okay, what is that? Alright, it's time to clean up. Okay. Come on, my friend. Take it. Okay, my friends. Very nice, my friend. See, beautiful. This, my friend. I don't know, it's still muddy. Aha. We have fresh water. Let's go, my friend.
What is this, my friend? Fresh water. Let's start, my friend. Okay, what is this, my friend? I don't know, my friend. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is tomato, my friend.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now.
Beautiful tomato. Okay, clean. And then, let's see again, my friend. Wow. Amazing. Amazing Ramirez.
Not too public. If the press find you, they will be like many bugs on.
Very nice Ramirez. Clean, my friend. Alright, and this one. Okay. Oh ho, this is a snow tractor. Beautiful, see. Okay. I see, my friend. Okay. And what is this? Haha, very nice. McQueen.
Hey, McQueen, you alright? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run.
Lighting McQueen, see, my friend. Beautiful. Okay. Let's see, what is this, my friend? This is a red color of a rally car. Beautiful red color. Amazing. Okay. And this one also, I think this is a rally car. I said so, rally car. Blue one. Good. Oh, what is this map and the big one? Wow. This is the big truck, my friend. See? Amazing, my friend. Big truck. Okay, well. Alright, and this one, what is this? Ta-da! Wow, plan, my friend. Good. The white one, the blue one. And what is this? I think this is a train, my friend, I see. See? This is train, my friend, Thomas.
Oh, the indignity! Which pongy engine is in charge here?
Hey, clean already. And what's this? Oh, wow. Nice car, my friend. This is a rally car.
Scored 10 wins at his home event.
I'm a bit emotional about that. It's an amazing achievement.
Okay. Oh, wow. This is a tiger.
Time the cub returns, there's no place for him.
Wow. A tiger, my friend. Watch out. Watch your back. Okay. And this one is, what is this, my friend? Amazing. Wow, this is Captain of America. Very nice. Okay, what is this, my friend? I see. This is the blue one. Ayo.
Okay, I'm off.
Very good, Tayo. Nice. This one, what is this? Alright. This is kind of a Formula 1, my friend. Okay, good. And this one is, what you see is this is a drum truck. Very big dump truck. Very good. Okay, what is this, my friend? Alright, this is a roller tandem. Okay, nice. It look like the green one, my friend. See, what is this? Can you guess what is this? Amazing Ayo, my friend.
Are you trying to protect the culprit?
No, I'm not.
Green Tayo. Okay, green already. Wow, this is a very nice, amazing car. Jeep, my friend. Wow, Jeep. Okay. And this one, what is this? Alright. Wow, this is a loader, my friend. Okay, loader. Okay. And this one is a double cabin, see? Very nice.
Tongsin untuk menapaki medan off-road.
Very good. Hi, what is this? Oh, the blue one. Nice.
Hey, boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
And look like very good. Okay. This is the green one. A rally car. Right, rally car. Okay, what is this, Tayo? I think this is yellow. Ayo, okay, Tayo. Hello, Tayo.
You took it, didn't you?
What? No, why would I?
What do you mean, why? You were jealous?
Very nice, Tayo. Hey, this one is... Alright, this is a fire rescue, my friend. Check this out, my friend. Very nice. Alright, this is a Molen car. Alright. Nice, Molen car, my friend. Good. Alright, last one. Let me guess. Jackson Storm. I don't know. Let's see. Wow, yes it is Jackson Storm, my friend.
Where'd all your friends go? Final check of his tire.
Very good. See, clean already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish, my friend.